Don't take it for granted 啦，係啊。
Yeah, 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 yeah.
好啦 ，challenge them like you did 淡水，好啊。Remember you provoke them.
They are hungry.
Why if you knock on their head?
I don't know.
How about knock in their head? How about?
Just let me touch you already.
They're like zombies.
If you knock on their head, you think they will like use their horn to attack you or they will bite you?
Let's try. Hey. Hey. Nothing.
You need the umbrella.
No. Don't abuse animals.
I'm an animal abuser.
They are like small one. Feed the small one.
Get the hell out of here.
No. I am.
The small one is drinking milk. The small one is drinking the mommy's milk.
No. Cannot drink milk.
See, it's not there.
They need nutrition from the leaves. This small one. Here. Let's go. He got bullied. Fuck. Small one. Come on.
Finish.
Oh, finish.
No, he doesn't like it. I don't.
Thank you.